It seems like everyone in 2024 is talking about making money on TikTok, but I don't want you guys to fall into the usual shiny object syndrome. So in this video, I'm going to clearly lay out for you the 5 different ways you can make money on TikTok. Now, these are all tried and true methods of making money on the platform. I'm not making up some obscure TikTok side hustle that you've never heard about. That's probably BS. These are all true methods. And also to preface, I've actually made money on TikTok through TikTok Shop, as many of you have probably seen. I've actually documented my whole TikTok Shop journey. And as a result of working on TikTok Shop, I've gotten some experience with TikTok Shop, the affiliate program, both being an affiliate myself for my own shop, but also working with other affiliates. So I know you can make money that way. And if you guys don't know, I've actually started a recent 30-day journey, road to 10K on the creativity program beta on TikTok. However, in this video, I'm also going to be talking about 2 other methods that I've not mentioned before. But for you who are not familiar with my channel, let's start from the top. So the number one way to make money on TikTok, and the reason why I think this is the number one way is because what I've personally tried is TikTok Shop. If you're not familiar with TikTok Shop, it is pretty much TikTok bringing e-commerce onto their platform. If you go into the app today, you're going to see a shop feature. And also, as you scroll through your For You page, you most likely have seen those annoying TikTok Shop posts that have the little icon for the product. And pretty much with this feature, you can sell anything that you want on the marketplace. You don't even have to actually create content, but of course, to get more sales, you should create content promoting your product, and you can link it right there on TikTok so that your customer doesn't have to go through the whole friction process of going onto your website, of navigating your site and checking out. They can check out directly from TikTok. It comes with many benefits. I'm not going to go too into depth into TikTok Shop. It also has a whole bunch of negatives. So if you scroll through my channel, I have covered TikTok Shop from top to bottom, and I haven't missed a single detail, so go check out those videos. Probably link it somewhere here on the screen. The second way to make money on TikTok is through being a TikTok Shop affiliate. Now, if you don't want to go out there and find your own product, if you don't want to create your own shop and deal with the headache of dealing with customers, of fulfilling, of dealing with TikTok Shop support, you can become an affiliate. You simply promote other people's products. So you'll go into the shop tab, or as you're scrolling through TikTok, you found someone has posted a product that you like. If you click into the product, you're going to see if they offer commission on that product. Some people don't have an affiliate program. The majority of shops do leverage TikTok Shop affiliates. You're going to find the percent of commission that they offer, and then from there you can either purchase the products, add it to your showcase, create content for it, and then get commission based on how many sales you generate. Or sometimes they offer free samples, so you can simply request a free sample. That shop owner will send you the free sample, and after you create a whole bunch of content and drive sales, you're gonna make your little commission. Commission rates vary from, I was giving people 1% commission. I was doing them dirty, but you'll find people who give 10, 15, even 20% commission, right? The reason why I was only offering 1% is because I was sending free samples, and I was my own affiliate, so I didn't really care. Now, if you want more details about TikTok Shop affiliate, there's a whole bunch of YouTubers out there who have already created content going into depth for it. Now let's go into method number 3 of making money on the platform, TikTok Live. Now, before I even get into TikTok Live, I'm going to preface this by saying most people who make money or significant amounts of money on TikTok Live usually are doing something humiliating or embarrassing. It's mostly girls sitting there half naked, and guys are sending them, you send money through these little almost emojis that you purchase. There's things like the rose, things like the pepper, and they cost from a couple cents to a couple dollars. Pretty much live viewers are sending the live creator these little emojis, and the live creator makes money. So you'll see them there sitting for hours on TikTok Live, and they do all sorts of things. I mean, there's people doing like weird skits. There's obviously the AI live people. There's girls just literally sitting there doing nothing, and people are sending them money. But then there's also people who are providing value on live, talking, doing Q&As about actual informational topics, about real estate, about business, about lifestyle, all sorts of things. So if you're someone who's into just speaking on camera, TikTok Live could really work out well for you. And I want to tell you guys something else. With all of these different methods that I mentioned, all 5 of them, I suggest you find the one that matches your personality the most and that matches your experience the most. If you've already been a seller on Shopify, if you already had your own business, you're probably good for you to go with TikTok Shop. If you're someone who's done sponsorships before and been an affiliate before, it's probably best for you to be an affiliate. If you like to stream or do live content, TikTok Live is probably best for you. So make sure you find the one that aligns with your interests and your passion the most, so that way you can stick to it for the long term. As I've said previously, do not jump from one to one. From my own experience, I focused primarily on TikTok Shop. All I did was TikTok Shop for a couple of months until it took off, and then I started getting into the next way to make money on TikTok, and that is the TikTok Creativity Program Beta. Also, I need to give you guys a disclaimer because I try to be as honest as possible. To get into the Creativity Program Beta, you need at least 10,000 followers on your TikTok and 100,000 views in the past 30 days. If you don't meet this threshold, you're not going to be eligible for the program. Now, this, to be completely honest, does take time. You're not going to get 10,000 followers on TikTok in a week or 2 weeks. So you really got to sit there and stick to one of these hustles for the whole entirety of 2024. Now, once you're into the program, if you create videos that are a minute long and over, you get paid. Now, how do you get paid? You get paid on qualified views, right? Because there's some intricacies with the Creativity Program Beta that I didn't know myself. So pretty much you need to create 1 minute plus long videos, and then your videos need to hit the For You page, and you get paid on views that come after the 1000th view from the For You page. Those are called qualified views, and TikTok can pay very well for these views. I've seen some creators who don't have ridiculous amounts of followers, anywhere from 10 to 20 to 30K, making 5, 6, upwards of $10,000 a month just from the content they create. Now, the beautiful thing about the Creativity Program Beta is if you're already into the program and you meet the threshold, you can create 1 to 2 TikToks a day every single day, right? All it takes is for one of them to blow up, to get 1 million views, and you're gonna get a very, very good payday for that. Now, also think about it this way. Let's say you create 100 1-minute TikToks. That's 100 minutes of work. That's an hour and 40 minutes. What are the odds that one of those 100 TikToks is gonna blow up and get hundreds of thousands of views or a couple million views? The odds are pretty high. All you need is one of them. So let's say you do those 100 TikToks over a 1 month period. You've worked for an hour and 40 minutes, and if one of them blows up, you can make a couple of $1,000s for an hour and 40 minutes of work. So that's how I like to think about it. And as I told you guys, this is something I'm pursuing currently. If you want to tap into my 30-day journey in the Creativity Program Beta, I'll link my week 0 post right here where I pretty much talked about my thoughts about the program. Now, if you can't resonate with any of these 4 methods I mentioned, there's one more that I think some of you guys are going to like, and that is TikTok Series. Now, with TikTok Series, it's pretty much mini digital courses. It's almost like a digital product that you can sell on TikTok. So you make your normal TikTok post, and just like you can do with TikTok Shop, you can actually link your series right there, and people, your TikTok viewers, can buy it right from your video. So let's say one of your videos, pops off, it gets 100,000 views or a couple million views. Your link to your course is going to be right there. It can be like a $5, $10, $20 course. It's a series of videos that TikTok users can access right on the platform of whatever educational content you want to create. So let's say one of your videos pops off. I'm willing to bet at least 100, 50 to 100 people are going to buy your course. That is a very easy way to make truly passive income because you've already created that course, and it's digital. You don't have to ship it. You don't have to deal with customer support. It's a one-time purchase and you got money in the bank. Now, those are the 5 methods that you can pursue in this year. As I said before, I really wish you guys heed my advice and focus on one singular method for the rest of 2024. And then from there, the benefit of TikTok is that you can stack these. For example, for myself, how I was able to get into the Creativity Program Beta was I was creating affiliate content for my TikTok shop. So stick with me. I know that can be confusing. I was my own affiliate for a TikTok shop and I was creating content. This was at a point where TikTok was really pushing affiliate content. So a whole bunch of my videos got a couple million views, a couple 100,000, and this propelled me into being able to get into the creativity program beta. Now, when I said you can stack these things, you can be your own TikTok shop affiliate. And if you're in the creativity program beta and you're making videos that are 1 minute plus, not only are you promoting your TikTok shop product, but you're also making money from that video. Do you guys understand what I'm saying? That's, you can make double the income from one method. Just from creating 1 minute plus content, you're getting paid from the creativity program beta. You can make a couple thousand if a video pops off, and then you can also get a whole bunch of sales for whatever you're selling. Or you can stack the 1 minute plus videos with your series or selling your content, you know? So these methods can all be stacked as long as you focus on one and you excel in one, and then you can slowly incorporate the others. As I told you guys, I would really appreciate if you tune into my creativity program beta 30-day journey. The next video, or the latest video I posted in the journey, is going to be right here. And I'm going to be honest, it's been a difficult start. It hasn't been easy, but I heed my own advice. I'm sticking through to the creativity program beta this whole year until I win. Like, I'm not going to keep trying, oh, these videos didn't do good, I'm going to quit. I'm sticking to this shit for the whole 2024. I'm posting at least 1 minute, one minute TikTok a day. And I hope you guys take motivation from my journey. If this video is valuable for you and you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, drop your questions down below, and tell me which one of these hustles or which one of these business models you're going to follow in 2024. I wish you the best of luck on your journey, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm out.